Are you looking for the best tools to cut drywall? In your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best tools to cut drywall that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Milwaukee Fastback Compact Folding Utility Knife Set. Almost any drywall job can benefit from a trusty utility knife, and with this pick from Milwaukee, you get 2. Both compact Fastback flip knives fold for pocket storage and are easy to open with one hand, leaving the other free to hold a sheet of drywall in place while you mark or trim it to size. The 2 knives in this set are slightly different, however. One has 2 seatbelt cutting notches plus onboard storage for 5 blades, and the other is a smaller version without those features. Both offer longer handles than most folding knives, allowing you to get a better grip when trimming or scoring. The kit comes with 50 replacement blades, though you may want to upgrade to drywall-specific blades for extra durability. Up next in the 4th place is the Stanley 99E Classic Retractable Blade Utility Knife. Folks looking to stretch their utility knife budget as far as possible should consider the Stanley 99E 2-pack. This very affordable kit includes 2 of Stanley's classic 6-inch retractable utility knives, each featuring in-handle blade storage and 3 extra blades. The 99E offers 3 blade positions, allowing users to choose how far out they'd like the blade to extend. While changing blades requires removing a screw and separating the 2 halves of the knife, the interlocking nose design holds them safely and securely together during use. The 3rd product on our list is the Lenox Gold Fixed Blade Utility Knife. DIY installers who want a pro-grade tool should consider this utility knife for cutting drywall from Lenox. It has a curved body that provides a comfortable grip and precise control for trimming sheets to length or width. It's also made with a titanium nose that resists wear and spreading and comes with 3 shatterproof blades for long-term durability. This Lenox knife is also incredibly user-friendly, as it features a quick blade change design that releases the blade via a button on the handle. Pressing the button also allows the hinged body to split into halves, revealing the stored blades inside for easy replacement. Though this knife is a bit larger than typical and may feel a little heavy in your pocket, we think the quality and design are worth it. Second on our list is the Klein Tools 725 6" jab saw. Just because an electric drywall saw would likely be unnecessary for smaller or less frequent projects doesn't mean those projects need to be slow or difficult. When it comes to cutting a quick hole for a new fixture, outlet, or access panel, the Klein Tools jab saw is a solid choice. It has sharp triple ground teeth that cut on both push and pull strokes, allowing you to work faster and with less effort than many other jab saws. This drywall cutting tool features a soft rubber grip that makes cutting several holes more comfortable. The handle also has a flat bottom that you can hit with your palm to push the pointed tip through drywall quickly and accurately. The only downside to this pick is that it doesn't come with a sheath, meaning you'll want to be careful with storage. Finally, the top product on our list is the Bosch PS60-102 Professional Reciprocating Saw. Reciprocating saws aren't always the easiest drywall cutting tools to use, but Bosch's 12-volt model is ready for the task. This smaller reciprocating saw is easy to control with one hand, yet it has the power to cut quickly through drywall for applications like creating holes for outlets, fixtures, and windows or doors. Sold as a comprehensive kit, it includes a saw, charger, and battery. The saw offers toolless blade changes, a built-in battery gauge, and an onboard LED for lighting the way. One of its most important features, however, is the rubber wrap around the front of the saw, which prevents dust from collecting inside and shortening its lifespan. Just keep in mind that this kit doesn't include blades, so you'll want to plan for that additional purchase. And that's all for now, I hope. to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.